Morning Standard 12. Today we are going to discuss nucleophilic substitutions reactions. So first, what is nucleophilic substitutions reactions? The substitutions reactions in which the attacking reagent is a nucleophile known as nucleophilic substitutions reactions. Now, such reactions are mainly encountered इन अल्काइल हैलाइड एंड एसाइल हैलाइड। ऐसे रिएक्शन हमको कहां देखने के लिए मिलेगा? अल्काइल हैलाइड में और एसाइल हैलाइड में देखने के लिए मिलता है। तो here it is standard 12 we will discuss the nucleophilic substitutions reaction in alkyl halide। In alkyl halide, as you know, in alkyl halide the CH bond is polar in nature because halogen is more electronegative than carbon. Therefore, halogen has partially negative charge and carbon has partially positive charge. Now, when a nucleophile may be a molecule, neutral molecule having lone pair of electron, or it may be a negatively charged species. So, when nucleophile comes in contact of such alkyl halide in a solvent, then what will happen? This nucleophile will replace the halogen from the alkyl halide, and such reaction is known as nucleophilic substitutions reactions, right? In this case, the reactivity of different nucleophile will be different, and we will discuss it in the later stage, which is stronger nucleophile, which is weaker nucleophile. But the nucleophile which is going to displace this halide must be stronger than halide ion. So here the nucleophile may be OH minus ion, Cn minus ion, NH3 minus ion, NO2, etc. Okay. Now the order of reactivity of alkyl halide will be generally alkyl iodide is strong, alkyl halide is more reactive, alkyl iodide is more reactive than alkyl bromide is more reactive than alkyl chloride is more reactive than alkyl chloride, or we can say iodide ion is a stronger leaving group as compared to bromide, chloride and fluoride. Fluoride ion is the weakest leaving group, वो जल्दी छोड़ करके बाहर नहीं निकलेगा। Okay, and this can be explained in two different ways. The reactivity of alkyl halide, that is alkyl iodide is more reactive than alkyl bromide is more reactive than alkyl chloride, and alkyl chloride is more reactive than alkyl fluoride. This can be explained in two different ways. The first one is the leaving group ability of an anion is related to basicity. The leaving group is related to its basicity. Okay, a strong basic anion is usually a poorer leaving group. Strongly basic anion, strongly basic anion is poorer leaving group. Poorer leaving group, right? So a strongly basic anion is a poorer leaving group than the weakly basic one. Fluoride ion is the most basic. And that's why it is the poorest leaving group. Okay, it is the poorest leaving group. It is poorest leaving group. Poorest leaving. On the other hand, iodide ion is the least basic. Iodide ion is the least basic, and therefore it is strongest leaving. Means it can easily leave the carbon atom, right? Or you can say strongest नहीं बोलकर किसको हम बोल सकते हैं? It is the best leaving group. It is the best leaving. And the second thing, as the carbon iodine bond, Ci bond, if you compare Ci bond, Cbr bond, CCl bond and CF bond, ये Ci bond सबसे वीक है, ठीक है, और CF bond क्या है? सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग है. तो iodine has the weakest bond with the carbon and thus iodine is the best leaving group. ये आसानी से टूट जाएगा. On the other hand, fluoride has the strongest bond with to the carbon atom and thus fluoride is the poorest leaving. Okay. And alkyl fluoride are rarely used as a substrate in the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Alkyl fluoride का reaction हम लोग देखने के लिए नहीं जा रहे. It is the you can say alkyl fluoride are rarely used as a substrate in nucleophilic substitution reaction because they are several thousand times less reactive than alkyl chloride, right? So why alkyl iodide is the most reactive? Because Ci bond is the weakest bond. And why alkyl fluoride is least reactive? Because CF bond is the strongest bond, right? And since alkyl fluoride is very less reactive, it is several thousand times less reactive than alkyl chloride. That's why the alkyl fluoride is generally not used as a substrate in nucleophilic substitution reaction. हमको देखने के लिए नहीं मिलेगा इसका reaction. जब भी लेंगे क्लोराइड, ब्रोमाइड और आयोडाइड लेंगे के right? And one more thing I want to add here. In order to ensure that the reactions occurs in a homogeneous solution, in order to ensure the reactions occurs in homogeneous solution, right? Such solvent are taken which dissolves both the alkyl halide and nucleophile. यानी आपको ऐसा सॉल्वेंट लेना होगा जिसमें कि अल्काइल हैलाइड भी डिसॉल्व करे और न्यूक्लियोफाइल भी डिसॉल्व करे. सॉल्वेंट उस तरह का चूज करना होगा इस रिएक्शंस में. एंड टू सच सॉल्वेंट आर इथेनॉल वाटर मिक्सचर. वन इज इथेनॉल वाटर मिक्सचर. जनरली वी टेक ethanol water mixture, and the second is dimethyl sulfoxide. DMSO, dimethyl sulfoxide, or you can say CH3 whole 2 SO. CH3 whole 2 SO. This is the dimethyl sulfoxide. So these are generally used as a solvent in nucleophilic substitution reaction. In next video, we will see there are two types of nucleophilic substitution reaction. One is known as SN1 reactions and other is known as SN2 reactions. तो यहाँ तक मेरे ख्याल से बात समझ में आ गई होगी आप लोगों को, ठीक है? तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग बात करेंगे कि दो तरह का nucleophilic substitution reactions होगा, SN1 और SN2. But in both reactions, alkyl iodide is always more reactive than alkyl bromide. Alkyl bromide is more reactive than alkyl chloride. ठीक है ना? और इसका कारण हम बता दिए. Because Ci bond is the weaker than Cbr bond and Cbr bond is weaker than CCl bond. Okay. So in next video we will see SN1 and SN2 reactions. Thank you.